Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest research. Have you ever tried to pinch and zoom on a social media photo only to be met with a blurry, pixelated mess? Today, we're looking at a paper that proposes a clever solution to this exact problem. The problem starts with resolution. Your new smartphone might have a massive 200-megapixel camera, but platforms like Instagram shrink that image down to a fraction of its original size to save storage space. As this diagram shows, when you upload a detailed photo, it gets downscaled, and all that amazing detail is lost forever. The interactive zoom you're used to is just enlarging that small, low-quality image. The researchers' big idea is called multi-target automatic image cropping. Instead of one downscaled image, an AI would look at your original high-resolution photo and identify several distinct, interesting regions. It would then generate a series of high-quality, aesthetically pleasing crops of just those areas. You could then swipe through these pre-computed zooms like a carousel, seeing every detail in crystal-clear quality. To make this a reality, you need a special kind of dataset to train an AI, and existing ones just wouldn't cut it. As you can see in this table, older datasets for image cropping use very low-resolution images. So, the researchers created Carousel, a brand new dataset of 277 high-resolution images. They had human experts go through each image and label the multiple distinct areas of interest that would make for good individual photos. With the new dataset ready, they tested how current AI cropping models would handle this new task. Since these models are designed to find only one best crop, the researchers used a clever pre-processing step. They first used a partitioning algorithm to automatically split the main image into distinct zones based on where the interesting subjects were. This image shows the difference. On the left, a standard AI creates overlapping crops, failing to capture all three subjects. On the right, after partitioning, the AI can focus on one subject per section, producing much better results. And the visual results speak for themselves. Here, the ground truth labels in row A show what a human wants to see, 3 separate crops of the llamas. Row B shows what happens without partitioning. The AI just focuses on the main group and creates overlapping, repetitive crops. But in row F, using the partitioning method with an AI called GACV2, the results are much closer to the human's intent, with each llama getting its own distinct and well-composed shot. So, let's recap the important takeaways. First, social media's downscaling ruins the detail in high-resolution photos. Second, this research proposes creating a carousel of multiple, high-quality crops to solve this, and the team built a new dataset specifically for it. And third, they showed that by first partitioning an image into salient regions, existing AI models can be adapted for this task, though it's not a perfect fix. The future of this work could mean that your phone or social media app will one day be smart enough to automatically create a beautiful, detailed photo story from a single wide-angle shot, changing how we share our world. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.